Hi, my name is Lillian Wilder, and the unit I decided to do was editing and proofreading. And my activity is vocabulary summaries through PowerPoint. Overview and objectives. The unit I've chosen covers the topic of revision, specifically editing and proofreading. Students are taught expertise in editing and proofreading to make them better writers and better prepared for essay writing. My students are currently working on their college essays, as this is a 12th grade English class, and this unit will help them become better writers and critical thinkers of literacy. Without a working knowledge of these skills, students will be underprepared for higher education, formal writing in the workplace, such as emails, and all other pursuits that involve writing and attention to detail. My goal is to enhance my students' vocabulary of technical writing terms so they'll become more comfortable with writing essays. For steps, students are asked to read an editing and proofreading article I will provide online and take notice of any terms in bold or specific tips on revising a paper. This will be done in class. The students will then be placed in small groups and asked to look over the vocab PowerPoint. A term is presented to the class, and each group is given time to think of not only a definition of the term, but how it can be improved to better their essay and provide helpful advice that was mentioned in the article. A class discussion will occur with each vocabulary word, and the teacher will go over the bulleted points in the next slide. Some of the words I've chosen are clarity, style, paraphrasing, structure, and tone, so students can understand what I mean when I say that they need to improve in one or more of these areas. Overall, this activity teaches students about editing, proofreading, and introduces them to real terms involving the process. One idea I did not include in my unit plan would be to use magnet summaries because these promote careful reading of a text and associate ideas with words. The lesson guarantees that students have a concrete and comprehensive understanding of these words and are prepared to use them effectively. Essay writing is improved through this lesson and shows students the places where their writing could use revision. This activity gives students the opportunity to work with their peers, brainstorm together, and receive feedback in small groups. And this multimodal practice allows the students to teach their classmates new words and keeps the students engaged while encouraging technology proficiency.